Hello everyone, my name is Mr.Dobzhansky and this is my 11th video on learning Campbell biology. And today we are going to talk about the core theme of biology, which is evolution. And so the main subject of this video is evolution. It accounts for the unity and diversity of life. And these are our main subjects of this video. And I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so let's start learning. Okay, evolution is the one idea that makes logical sense of everything that the scientists know about living organisms. As the fossil records clearly show, life has been evolving for billions of years, specifically 4 billion years. Okay, resulting in a vast diversity of species. But along with the diversity, there is also unity in the form of shared features. Okay, for example, while whales and bats and humans and dogs look very different, their skeletons are organized in the same basic way, like this picture over here. Okay, they have one large bone, two thin and long bones, and a palm, as you can see in all of them, and the finger bones that are present in all of them, and so the skeletons are really similar. And so evolution is the explanation for the unity and diversity of organisms, as well as the adaptation of organisms to their particular environment. All the living things that are living on Earth are the modified descendants of a common ancestor. Take, for example, these finches, okay, which are more commonly known as the Darwin's finches, okay, because Mr. Darwin had found them. Okay, and experimented on them. Not experimented, or more actually, more specifically, he did research on them. Okay, as a result of descent with modification, two species share certain traits, which is the unity part of evolution. And as you can see, there are four finches that are very alike, but have very different beak shapes, okay, which have adapted or evolved towards their food. Okay, this one eats nuts. Okay, so it breaks open the hard surface. This one eats little bugs, so the bugs can't get away from it and go into holes. So it has evolved a long, thin beak to get them out of those holes. Okay. The, the unity is formed because they have descendant from a common ancestor. Furthermore, we can account for differences between two species, which is the diversity part of evolution. With the idea that certain heritable changes occurred after the two species diverged from their common ancestor. Okay, and so the unity and diversity of life. And a lot of different types of evidence support the occurrence of evolution and the theory that describes how it takes place, which we will be learning about in the next video. Okay? To quote one of the founders of modern evolutionary theory, Theodore Dobzhansky, okay, and nothing in biology makes sense except the light of evolution. And to understand Mr. Dobzhansky's statement, we need to discuss how biologists think about the vast diversity of life on Earth. Okay, and this is Mr. Dobzhansky, which he was one of the founders of modern evolutionary theory. Okay, and so until the next video, happy learning to you all.